Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel Beauty Blink with Shush, and let's be creative. If you're new to my channel, take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification and share it to your loved ones. Today I will be creating this yellow beautiful eyeshadow look inspired by my favorite makeup artist Meta from the YouTube channel, and this looks stunning and very radiant for me. I'm starting today's makeup with the L'Oreal Revital Face Serum, taking 3-4 drops and just dabbing around my face. After that, I'm applying Neutrogena sunscreen, that is with the SPF 50. It's safe when you want to step out with the makeup. Now the next product is Biotic Eye Cream to revitalize my eye area. Taking a few drops of the cream and dabbing around my eye area. Now I'm applying a lip balm of Myglam so that my lips stays nourished. Now Benefit Cosmetic Primer. It is a pore filling primer which is very good for your skin. Before you apply foundation and concealer, it gives a smooth canvas. Now I was really confused whether to use this or not, but I said okay, let's use this Revlon satin foundation this time on my YouTube tutorial, and guess what, it worked out really nice on my skin. It gives that shiny effect which is satin, and it covered all of my pigmentation very well with a little quantity, and it was really good. I loved this foundation and the finishing of the foundation. Moving on, I'm going to use a concealer and highlighter plus together, and I'm going to highlight my face. And I will blend it with a beauty blender. As this foundation is satin, so I'm going to only bake those areas where I'm supposed to crease, like my laugh line and under eye. I won't be setting the whole area with the loose powder. Moving on, I will be contouring my face with HD Revolution contour palette to simply give dimension to my face. On the hollow of my cheeks, on my forehead line, and my jawline, the most important part, and even my nose. Now the blush time, and I don't really put my blush really loud, I just keep it very natural and subtle. Now this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I'm just applying it with my finger. It really works and it looks good when we apply it with the finger. So I'm just going to add a shine highlighter wherever I want it to shine, especially on my cheek and the tip of my nose. Now finishing with it with the NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Fixer. Now I'm going to groom my eyebrows with the help of Goof Pro Benefit Cosmetic Eyebrow Pencil. I'm just creating a line, filling the gap area, and again brushing it. Now I took a small eyeshadow blending brush and took a brown eyeshadow and just filled my spurs and gap area, which is working good, the technique. Now NYX eyeshadow palette has this yellow beautiful eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the eyeshadow on my finger and I'm just dabbing it. Taking a very small eyeshadow blending brush and just diffusing the edges. Now with the help of dark brown eyeshadow, I'm making it as an eyeliner and I'm going to blend it so that it's yellow, but it's warm yellow. Now I don't really want that sharp wing kind of thing, so I'm again diffusing the edges and then blending it very carefully. Now taking a black eyeshadow, again very lightly I'm just going to create a wing that's gonna provide the actual eyeliner type of thing, because I'm not going to apply the eyeliner. Now quickly I'm going to finish the other side of my eye makeup with the same technique, but this time I'm using a brush on the other side just to see the difference. I have applied Myglam's off-white kajal on my waterline. After that, I'm taking the brown eyeshadow and blending it on my lower lash line. Now I'm applying the PAC mink eyelashes and then applying the mascara of Colossal of Maybelline on my lower lash line and even upper part of my eyelashes. Now applying the Maybelline liquid lipstick, which is peach in color. So guys, here's the look. I don't want it to be so loud. I wanted to keep the base makeup natural, but the yellow eyeshadow, wow, it's looking so gorgeous. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see any kind of other eyeshadow tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to do that for you all. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and I'm going to be back again with a brand new video with more creativity and new concept. Till then, stay tuned. And if you like, watch my video till end, the photographs that I always post at the end of my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye and see you all.